Hi guys, it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop. It is an amazingly beautiful day out today, so I thought I'd film outside. Also, the gym was a little packed, so I was like, let me just move my stuff out. But if you guys are ready for a full body stretch session, then grab a mat, grab some water, and get ready to stretch with me. To start off, you're gonna stand at the top of your mat, deep breath, inhale, and arms are going up overhead. Exhale, arms come down. Inhale, arms up. We're gonna be here for a few more seconds. Deep breath, inhale. And last one. Come into a kneeling position on your mat, and then we're gonna come into all fours. We're gonna start off with some cat-cows. So your wrists should be directly under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. Back is gonna be nice and straight. You're going to inhale and arch that back up to the sky. Give yourself a nice little pelvic twist. And exhale. Bring that belly button down to the ground, and your head is gonna go up to the sky. Inhale. Remember to fill your lungs and your belly up with air, creating lots of space in that spine, wiggling your tailbone if that feels good. Now we're gonna sit into our heels and walk your hands all the way out. We're coming into a child's pose. A few nice, good inhales and exhales. You should feel your upper body stretching. You can walk your fingers up towards the top of the mat, pulling yourself forward. And relax. Bring your arms in. We're gonna take your right arm and thread it underneath the left side. Bring your right shoulder to the ground. Try to keep your butt as close to your heels as possible. Deep breath, inhale and exhale. Inhale, come back up to center and switch sides. Left arm is going to thread underneath the right, bringing that right shoulder down to that left shoulder down to the ground. Sorry. Nice big slow inhales. Big exhale. All right, coming back to center, you're gonna bring your arms up forward, and we're going to tuck your toes underneath, sending your hips up to the sky into a downward dog. Press your heels into the floor to stretch the back of your legs out. Deep breath, inhale and exhale. If it feels good, you can pedal your legs in and out, one knee, and then switching the other side. Stretching out the back of your legs. Probably be easier if I wasn't wearing socks. All right, come back to your downward dog. Legs, you're pressing your heels into the ground, pulling that tailbone up to the sky. We're gonna be here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring both knees down to the ground. Starting with the right leg, you're gonna pull your right foot just outside of your right hand. Your left knee is gonna come into full extension, pulling your shoulder blades back and looking up. Deep breaths here. All right, your right arm, you're gonna pick it up. Reach towards that left side and then open up. World's greatest stretch. Deep breath and hold. Look up at that top hand. All right, bring that arm back down to the ground. We're going to drop that left knee. Your right hand is now going to push your right knee outwards and relax. Pull your right knee back into center. Right arm's coming down to the floor, and we're gonna switch legs. Right knee goes back, left foot comes forward outside of the left hand. Fully extend that right knee, pull your shoulder blades back, and look up. You should be feeling a really nice hip stretch. If it's a little bit too aggressive, you can drop that knee. All right, take your left hand, reach to the right side, and then open up to the left. Heads up, looking at your left fingers. Bring that left arm back in, right knee comes down to the floor. Left hand is pushing that left knee open. All right, place your left hand back down on the ground. Your left knee is now going back. We're gonna put your feet together and then open your knees up as wide as you can comfortably. I'm only going to the edge of the mat because it'll probably hurt my knees if I put my knees on the cement. Toes are gonna be flat on the ground. Push your hips back into your heels and now walk it out just a little bit further than you think you can. Push yourself back into your heels and stretch those hips. Nice deep breaths. Nice. Let's bring it up back to center. You're going to flip around, have a seat on your butt. Lay back down. Right leg, both your hands are going to pull your knee in towards your chest. Left leg is going to fully extend straight, and we're going to breathe. Release your left hand. Right arm is going to pull that right knee open and relax. Pull your right knee back into center. Left arm is going to reach around for that right knee. Right arm is going to open up, and your left hand is going to pull your right knee to the left side. Turn and look at your right arm. Great job, guys. Come back to center and we're going to switch legs. Left leg comes in, right leg goes out. Pull that knee as close to your chest as you can and squeeze. Big deep breaths. Inhale. And big exhale. All right, release that right arm down to the side. Left arm is going to pull that left knee open. Great job. Bring it back to center. Switch, left arm opens, right hand grabs that right knee or that left knee, pulls it to the right side. Turn and look at that left hand. Bring it back to center and roll your body up. We're going to have a seat on your butt and then open your legs as wide as you can comfortably. Put your hands right in front of you and you're going to slowly walk your arms forward. Try to reach a little bit further if you can and hold. All right, we're gonna take a deep breath. Inhale. Pull your arms straight up above your head. And exhale, reach back forward. Deep breath. Exhale, reach down. Last one. All right, come back to center, bring your knees in. We're going to finish with a back roll. So you're going to grab your knees, hug them into your chest. We're going to fall backwards, rolling down, and we're gonna roll a few times. Down and right back up. This is my favorite part. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my full body stretch today. I hope you guys continue to like, subscribe, and follow all of my videos. Thank you guys again so much. Have a great day. Bye.